This video explains the DJI Agras drone spreading system, which can be used for spreading materials such as fertilizers and seeds with particle diameters ranging from 0.5 to 10 millimeters. The spreading system uses a weighing sensor to detect the remaining material weight in the spreading tank and combines it with a material detection sensor to determine if there is material present, controlling the spreading flow by changing the feeder speed. When the spreading amount is large, it is recommended to use the large feeder, and when the spreading amount is small, it is recommended to use the small feeder. Below is an example of spreading fertilizer with a larger application rate. Release the feeder motor lock. Remove the feeder motor. Pull out the feeder. Replace it with the appropriate model. Install the motor. Please pay attention to the orientation of the feeder motor and tighten the feeder motor lock. In the spreading system settings, click Spreading Calibration. Click the Tare Calibration for the weighing sensor. Ensure the total weight of the spreading tank is displayed as 0 kilograms. Next, elevate the aircraft and keep it level, preparing to receive materials below. Remove the pin. Detach the spreader disc and store it properly. Click the spreading parameter settings. Click the spreading material management. Click to add new spreading material. Select the current feeder model in use and click Next. Follow the remote controller prompts to add materials and calibrate. During calibration, be sure to add no less than 20 kilograms of material. If a warning of material shortage is displayed during calibration, you can continue adding material and proceed with calibration. After calibration is complete, click Save. Reinstall the spreader disc. Note: during calibration, do not touch the aircraft or the spreading tank to avoid affecting the weighing accuracy, which may lead to inaccurate flow rates. Demonstration of spreading operation. Go to Flying Parameters setting panel and make sure to select right material template. The recommended application rates for various materials are shown in the table. When adding materials, ensure the battery is already installed before loading the spreading materials to avoid contact with the distribution board. If there are straw or woven bags mixed in, they must be cleaned out, and clump materials must be broken up before spreading to prevent auger blockage and misspreading. Once confirmed that there are no abnormalities, you can start the operation. Note: in low temperature regions, the material detection sensor on the spreader may not rotate, leading to false alarms. Gently move the blades to allow the motor to rotate for normal use.